3 things to consider when clearing out your closet. So many things hold memory for different people, from items of clothing to shoes and so much more. However, the more you keep things, the more clustered your space is. There are so many items you have kept in your closet for so long without using them. To make things easier for you, you should make a habit of clearing out your closet every year or so. Understandably, we tend to be attached to our clothes, which makes it hard to determine what to toss and what to keep. Below are some ways to clear to determine what to do away with in your closet. 1. When last? When you look at each clothing item, can you remember when last they were worn, even shoes? If you have those items that you haven't actually worn in such a long time, you should consider getting rid of them. If you have no reason to use any item in a year or more, then there is no need to keep those items. Give them out to people who have needs for them and free your closet. 2. Does it fit? There are so many items you are keeping because they are gifts or because of the memory they hold for you. However, these items no longer fit. There is absolutely no reason to keep anything that does not fit anymore. Here are some unique trends like oversized sweaters and crop tops, but that's different from wearing ill-fitting clothes. Try on those items you have doubts about, especially your bras, and check whether they're the right size for you. 3. Out of fashion? Holding on to items that were in style years ago won't make you feel confident. You don't want to be spotted with things that just don't look good anymore, so it is definitely in your best interest to accept that the trend was hot while it lasted. You could try having classic essentials in your closet that will never run out of style instead of always focusing on trends that come and go within a few months. When you free your closet, you know what you need, and in all honesty, free spaces are therapeutic. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought on this. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned to aid the student.